In 2018, Henry Taremwa was a senior 4 student at St. Bernard's Secondary School Manya in Rakai district. Like other teenagers, his dream was to make his family proud by passing the Uganda Certificate of Education examinations. But one unfortunate incident changed everything. It started with something small, a broken glass door. The school administration suspected a group of students, including Taremwa, and suspended them. Taremwa claims that another student later confessed to committing the act but was never punished. With 5 papers left to the end of the exam period, Taremwa could not commute every day from his home in the Antonde district to Rakai district. Together with a friend, he rented a small room near the school.
The paper starts at 9. Then how could I board from the Antonde to that side of Mutukula? Then I catch up with the paper. So we decided to rent in the nearby trading center.
A week after the suspension, tragedy struck. Fire broke out in one of the school dormitories, claiming the lives of 10 students and injuring 36 others. Taremwa and other students who were suspended with him became prime suspects. They were arrested with a food vendor. At the time of his arrest, he was under the age of 18. While in police custody, Taremwa was allowed to commute to the school from the cells to complete the exams.
That thing, there is a way it affected me, because you cannot concentrate. You're handcuffed, you're brought to do a paper, but how can you concentrate?
He was later transferred to Masaka Central Police Station, then to Masaka Central Prison, a prison for adults. He claims that although he informed the police that he was a minor, the officers recorded his age as 18.
I was tortured physically, I was beaten. After being taken to that main prison, we spent six months, and then we are committed to High Court, given the committal papers. We are committed to High Court, waiting for trial. After being committed to High Court, we spent 6 full years, without trial.
His family applied for bail on 3 occasions, but each time the application was denied due to many reasons, such as the wait for a special session, which never came in those years. His parents, already struggling financially, spent everything they had trying to secure his release.
The state attorney was trying to delay. So amidst the trial, he used to pray for adjournment. When the next day comes, he's like, my Lord, I pray for adjournment, because my witness had come, but he felt stomach ache. So you can hear such a game.
These students were arrested on the 11th and the 12th of November 2018, and they were kept at police until the 27th of November 2018. That's about 2 weeks. Not taken to court. They're just there. They are kept in police cells. So this period of detention in police cells, contrary to the 48 hours rule, is where we first attacked.
In July 2024, Justice Victoria Nachintu finally heard Taremwa's case at the Masaka High Court. His lawyer, Sam Sechewa, argued that he had been illegally detained as a minor in an adult prison.
A juvenile has particular rights that are specified under the law. For instance, a juvenile cannot be taken to an adult prison. Juveniles have a separate remand home. So when he was taken to a prison of adults at Masaka, that was a breach of the law. So this period of 6 years under detention on remand meant that there was a breach of the Constitution as regards fair and speedy trial.
His family presented his birth certificate, baptism card, and the Uganda National Examinations Board documents as proof of his age. Though he regained his freedom, the young man is unsure of the way forward. He had scored 33 aggregates. He now faces another challenge. Having studied under the old curriculum, he's not sure how he will cope because secondary schools switched to a revised lower secondary school curriculum.
What I'm yearning for is continuing with my education, of which I'm seeing it is not getting any better. Like, for example, right now I have no my results, my NEB results. I have to go to that school for my results because they have to recommend. Can you recommend someone whom you suspect to have done something bad to you? If anyone can help me, I'm willing to continue with my education.
Even outside prison, Taremwa does not feel free. People recognize him from the trial and have labeled him a criminal. He prefers to stay indoors.
I have a lot of stigma. I'm traumatized. I get like people, there is a way people, like that social life, I don't fit in the society.
Before he was sent to prison, Taremwa dreamed of becoming a journalist. But after witnessing the struggles behind bars, with many prisoners languishing under the weight of crimes they did not commit, he wants to be a lawyer.
The sufferings I got through, I felt like fighting for someone is worth. You get different experiences. You get to those people who are murderers, serious murderers. Like you get.
Legal experts say once a suspect claims to be a minor, it is the court's duty to conduct thorough investigations to verify their age. If found to be under 18, they cannot be confined into adult custody.
Because these minors have special remand homes. For example, we have Naguru remand home, we have Kampilingsa remand home, among others, or other places as court may determine or as the minister may determine. So that's where these minors are supposed to be kept during the time of the trial. And the law goes ahead and says such a minor should not be on remand in case it is a capital offense that attracts a death sentence. Such a minor cannot be on remand for a period of more than 3 months. That means that within a period of 3 months, everything has to be conducted, investigations have to be done, and if a minor is found guilty, then the punishment be given accordingly. But if it exceeds 3 months, when this minor is on remand, then that means you are infringing with a minor's right.
If the minor's rights are violated, he or she has the right to take legal action against the Attorney General. However, Taremwa's lawyer says they do not plan to pursue this path. Instead, they hope to focus on integrating him back into society. NOBERT ATUKUNDA, NTV News.